Holiday Inn Express, Galveston, on the West Seawall. Check-in time is until 4. It's about 1:30, and we are able to check in early. I'm going to the elevator. Are you tripping me on purpose?
Here we go, yeah.
I know this is the
waiting for us.
We haven't been on this one.
This one's laughing. It's turn. You never seen that elevator? It's open. What's the way?
I think it didn't rattle as much.
Doesn't squeak up here.
So this one is not as scary as the other one. Yeah, this one is better. Alright, we're at the Holiday Inn Express, Galveston, West Seawall. Because there's like 4 Holiday Inns on this road. So we're not the one by Paradise Pier. Bathroom. So we have fridge, microwave, coffee pot, mirror, bathroom, So did you see this one does not have shampoo? So they have hand wash and body lotion, but it does not have shampoo in the
Don't
shower.
fill a hole in our floor. Get out of here.
So where's the hole?
Right off the back corner of the bed up there. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep
Oh,
walking, keep
yeah.
walking, keep going. Keep going.
I just walked through it. I just walked through
No,
it.
you didn't. Right there.
Okay, so there's 2 holes. So when you walk on this floor, it's not flat. You can't tell, but like here, oh, I just went down, just went up, just went down. All right, so this is the girls. We got a lot of luggage because it's all the luggage for the cruise. But we're on the 3rd floor. And as you can see, this hotel's not in the best shape. But do you just push? Did you guys lock it?
Yes, locked.
You locked it? Okay, yeah, she locked it. Okay. So, this is our view. So, it's the side parking lot. And there's the ocean. So, yeah, pretty cool. I mean, the hotel's fine. Yeah, it's a little more rundown than I normally get on Holiday Inn Express. And just lock it that way. But it is nice and cool in here, so that is good. So yeah, typical Holiday Inn Express. This one just isn't in the best shape. But I'm sure it'll do for one night. So, I literally just noticed that besides these 2 hand towels, this hand towel, and this hand towel, we have no towels. There's no bath mat. I already showed you this. There's no towels. No wash rags, no big towels. And then out here, they're not in the closet. No towels.